Our next benefit is use of an asset. It's very simple, very easy. See, we learned motor car, we learned accommodation, we learned fuel, van, fuel for van. Car is also an asset. Accommodation is also an asset. But here, what we are talking about in benefit number 15, other than what we learned till now, means furniture, boat, TV, kitchen system, DVD system, DVD players, suit, anything which till now we didn't discuss. Yani what we discussed were the specific benefits, specific workings like car, van, fuel, accommodation, etc., etc. But if any other asset will come, we will apply use of asset rules. Use of asset rules are very simple. It's 20% of the market value. It's 20% of the market value. How to do it? Can you read the question number 20, please, Helen?
Helen is provided with a computer by her employer for private use, which cost £800. Calculate the annual taxable benefit arising on the employee.
Okay,
B, what is
A part only. Okay, now tell me. So this is computer. Did we learn any specific working for computer? So it's simple use of asset. 800 into 20%, and nothing is mentioned, so we will assume it's throughout the tax year. So the answer is 160 pounds. Any questions, please?
this is taxable? Like, what benefit is this?
Is taxable benefit called use of an asset. If a company is provided you an asset for personal use, then we are going to calculate this benefit. Okay.
Alright.
This is A part.
Done.
Okay, now the B part is, see, this use of asset, the formula just now we discussed, but the main formula is this one, higher of, this is use of asset. A, which is cost into 20%. B, rent of asset. This is the complete formula for benefit number 15, which is called use of an asset. So in A part, nothing was mentioned. So the 160 was the final answer. Now you will read the B part, please.
What if the employer rents a computer for £200 per annum?
Okay, so they are providing you rent of computer. How much is the rent? 200, right or wrong?
Yes.
So what should be my answer?
The higher of 200.
200 will be the answer of B part. Any questions, please?
So the use of asset will depend on which one is higher.
Higher. The rent amount or the 20% of the value. Which is higher of, it will be the benefit. Done?
Yeah.
Okay. Now just check this out. Cost of TV 10,000 provided by employer on 1st December 21. Taxable benefit will be how much? Can you tell me the answer, please? There is no rent, so the answer will be only with the working of 20%. But how to do it?
So would it be 10,000 into 20%?
10,000 into 20%. Okay.
2,000.
Into how many months? Sorry?
4 months.
4 months, because tax year is relevant. So the answer will be,
667.
please note it down.
Done.
Okay. Now, in our last class, we discussed benefit number 18, 19, and so on. These all exempt benefits we already discussed, right? Except vouchers. Till travel benefits, till benefit number 26, we already discussed. Only we left with 2 or 3 benefits. One of them is gift of asset. Gift of asset and use of asset, the difference. Then we will continue this gift of asset tomorrow, inshallah. Okay. What is the difference between gift of asset and use of asset? Please memorize it. Use of asset means the ownership of asset remains to employer. Employer is the owner of asset. If you are quitting your job, you have to return back this asset to employer. Gift of asset means that employer gave you, gave, G-A-V-E, gave means gifted you, and this is yours asset now. If you resign, or if it is you left the job for any reason, this asset will remains with you, because employer gifted you or he gave you. Use of asset means it's with you until you are on job. Gift of asset means it's completely yours. You can see here, Helen is provided with a computer, means it's a use of asset. Just read it. Just read it. What is written? Just this underline, highlighted line. X Limited. Can you read, please? Hello. Gave you. It's written X Limited gave the dishwasher, means it's gift. Provided means use. Gave means gift. So if it is provided, use of asset will be calculated. If it is gave, gift of asset will be calculated, which we are going to discuss in our next class. So see you tomorrow, inshallah.